Hello mga kababayan! Dito sa video na to, talakayin natin kung ano ang top 5 work from home jobs for mothers. Alright? So sa technology talaga nagpapasalamat tayo dyan kasi it has made possible for many mothers around the world to be able to work and at the same time mag-alaga ng mga chikiting. Alright? So number 1, na work from home job na talaga namang pwedeng-pwede para sa ating mga mommies ay ang pagiging VA. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng isang VA? Ang isang VA ay tumutulong sa mga business owners or professionals na magbigay ng admin support. This could include scheduling appointments, what else? Managing emails, scheduling flights, and so on. At napakaraming VA job opportunities ang nag-o-offer din ng flexible working hours. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang full-time at pwede ka rin part-time kung meron ka pang iba pang trabaho. Alright? That's VA for you. Number 2 is data entry operator. So the role of a data entry operator normally involves updating or entering information into online systems or spreadsheets for businesses. Ito ay meron tinatawag na detail focus at ito ay good for those who like structure. So basically, you will be working with customer records, receipts, or survey data. Okay? So that is data entry operator for you. At ano naman ang pangatlo? Okay? Ito ay tinatawag na freelance writer or editor. Kapag ikaw ay hired bilang isang freelance writer or editor, ibig sabihin, you will create or edit articles like for example, blog posts or social media posts or product descriptions, etc. If you have an eye for details and if you are good with words, then mag-apply ka na as a freelance writer or editor. So isa to sa mga top 5 jobs for work from home moms. At ano naman ang pang-apat? Ito ay ang customer service representative. If you are good in solving problems or if you are a good communicator, mag-apply ka na bilang customer service representative. Mainly, you will be communicating with customers via email, via chat, or via phone call. Meron din silang mga part-time jobs, full-time jobs, at flexible din ito. Pwede rin pang gabi, pwedeng pang umaga. At ang panglima ay pagiging online tutor. If you are a teacher or if you just love helping people to learn, then this job is good for you. So basically online, tutulungan mo ang mga estudyante sa kanilang mga subjects like English, math for example, and this is all via online communication. So, pwedeng via chat, pwede rin via video call habang nagsosolve kayo ng math problems and so on. Okay? So, yan ang mga top 5 work from home jobs for mommies like us. Don't forget to subscribe.